I'm going to do one eyebrow in camera so you guys can see how I do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my favorite brow product of all time is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Brow Freeze. I know this been in the market for a little while now, but I am enjoying this product, and let me tell you, I don't do too much to my eyebrows because of this. It makes the job super easy, super fast, and I'm enjoying this right now. So I'm just going to demonstrate one eyebrow because I usually like doing my eyebrows off camera, because I don't know, I just feel like the makeup takes a little longer, so ain't nobody really want to see eyebrows, so might as well do it off camera. But I really want to show you this technique of how I do my eyebrows. So what I'm doing is I put a little bit of the Brows Freeze, and all I'm doing is just pressing it up just like so. And a little product goes a long way, guys. You don't have to put too much product in your little brush. See, once I got the brow how I want it, this is how it looks. Super ugly. You would not even notice that's my eyebrow, but that's how my brow looks in real life. And then this is how the eyebrows look when I press it up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down. I mean, you can leave it like that, but I don't want it all the way up. So I'm just brushing it a little down, just like that, just to give me a nice arch and a nice shape. And here, I'm just leaving it up because I like that. But you see, guys, I don't really have to do much to my eyebrows now. Like, this was the step, super easy. So now after I do that, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen, and this color right here is dark brown. So what I like to do is, let me use my little mirror. I don't really do much. I just do where you see the empty spaces of the hairs, you just use this and just flick it up, just like so. Where you see the hairs that doesn't have too much hairs, you just press this little pen and voila. This is what I do, and I love it. And I usually do it on the front too, and I just place it up. And if you see how it's too dark like that, we will fix that, guys, don't you worry. I use my finger and just push it upwards, and just like that. And then the last touches, I'm gonna grab my concealer, and I'm gonna use any concealer. You guys can use any concealer that you usually use underneath your eyes, but I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way, and this is golden. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hands, and then I'm just gonna trace the natural arch. I don't do too much because the Brow Freeze does all the work for you. You see that? Look how beautiful. That's how my eyebrows look, and this is how my eyebrows looking now. But I like to do it also on top. You guys don't have to do that, but I love doing that. So I'm gonna also do it on top. And then what I like to do is I like to use a little sponge, and I like just to press the concealer in just to give it a natural look. And that's the before, and that's the after.